Great job on your purchase of Cerakote's Trim Coat, the world's strongest and longest-lasting solution for restoring and protecting your vehicle's plastic and vinyl trim. It's the least regrettable thing you'll buy all year. To start, take a few minutes to review the following instructions, along with our pro tips. Trim Coat is designed to restore your trim to an unrivaled level of gloss that lasts for at least 200 washes. For prep, Trim Coat should only be applied to the plastics of a freshly washed and dried vehicle. This makes sure the plastics are as clean as possible, limiting the amount of product needed and guaranteeing the best results. For washing, you can either take your vehicle through the car wash or hand wash using standard car wash soap. A pro tip for you: wash just the plastic trim sections you intend to coat with Blue Dawn dish soap. Dish soap has the added benefit of cutting through grease to really deep clean the areas you'll be coating. When you're done, rinse it off. Now that you're clean and rinsed off, you're going to want to dry the vehicle with a towel. Trim Coat is incompatible with water, so proper drying is of the utmost importance. Using your towel, dry the vehicle thoroughly. The blow dryers at the car wash are not enough to remove all of the water. Wipe out all door jambs and the trunk jamb. Wipe all water from mirror housings and from behind the trim, license plates, and the like. Open and close all doors multiple times to get rid of water droplets in the door jambs. Another pro tip: if you have access to compressed air, use the air tool to blow water out from behind trim, mirror housings, headlights, taillights, and anywhere else that water can hide. You want that puppy bone dry. After washing and completely drying the vehicle like we just talked about, move to a shady spot out of direct sunlight in a well-ventilated area. Working in shade keeps the plastics cool and extends the working time of the trim coat. Leave doors, hood, hatches open at this point as well as windows down. This will allow best access to all areas that will be coated. Now for the fun part: applying Cerakote Trim Coat. First, put on your safety gloves. After you're protected, identify the plastic surfaces you intend to treat and begin on the surfaces located highest on the car or truck first. Now go ahead and open up the pouch and remove the wipe. Without unfolding the pre-moistened application towel, carefully treat the edges of the plastic component bordering the paint like so. If trim coat gets on your paint, don't panic. Just immediately wipe it away with a dry towel. No big deal. Next, you're going to want to unfold the wipe to the appropriate size and coat the rest of the trim component. Some heavily weathered plastic may require a second coat. Once the entire vehicle has been coated, go back to the starting point to check your work. Missed spots or areas needing a second coat can be touched up at this point. Note, a second coat is not typically needed. Once you're all done, it's time to let it dry. Trim Coat is designed to be able to be exposed to moisture after a short 1-hour cure time. But in the meantime, park away from sprinklers, squirt guns, water fights, and time your application to avoid rain. Once you're dry, you're done, and you're ready to show the world how smart and attractive both you and your vehicle are. Cerakote Trim Coat. Get your coat on.